Hey you guys, I have some friend mail, happy mail, however you want to call it, and I have 3 packages, so I decided to make a video. It is a Friday, so right now it is gloomy, rainy, and not that cold in Chicago, but it is. Hopefully it doesn't rain for Halloween. We don't know yet. I'm hoping it doesn't rain so I could take the kids out. They really want to go trick-or-treating this year, so hopefully it doesn't rain. I have the first package, and the first package is from Marianne. Hey Marianne, thank you. And she sent me this package, and it has so many cute stickers on here, you guys, but I don't want to show you her address. So let's go ahead and open it. Oh, she sent me, oh, how cute. She sent me the basket bags that are impossible to find here in Chicago now. For some reason, I cannot find the bags for the gift baskets. I guess I told the secret and they're all gone, especially around where I live. So she got me 2 packages, which is perfect, which makes 4 bags. So thank you for this. It's so hard to find over here. Like, for some reason Dollar Tree, there's not carrying them, or they just run out as soon as they get them, or people are just ordering them on the website. But on the website you have to order like 1,000 of them, like a whole package, like 48, just to get, you know, what you want. When you really want is a bag or 2. So thank you, Marianne. Oh, she sent me some Christmas ones, 2 count, and these are, I actually needed 2 of these, you guys, for a big, are these bigger, basket that I am planning to do, believe it or not. Are these bigger or are these smaller? I'll tell you right now. No, they're the same size. These are the Christmas ones. If you guys could see, these are the ones that have the beautiful what are these called? Poinsettias. They're called poinsettias, and she sent me 2 of them. So I use these for a basket or 2. So you'll see these on my tutorial. I'm definitely going to use them since they are for Christmas. You know, I love to use everything you guys send me. Nothing goes to waste. If I can't use it, I'll make sure somebody else gets it so they could use it. So if you ever send me something, it will never go to waste. It will always get used, or I would make sure somebody else could use it. I don't believe in wasting anything. You know, I use the tissue you guys send me. When you guys send tissue, I reuse that tissue. Chrissy sends me tissue as well. I love tissue. I love putting tissue on everything. I think it just makes the gift a little more mysterious when you add a little bit of tissue, or you wrap it in tissue. It just, for me, it does the trick. But yeah, so I think these are cute, especially since it's Christmas. I think those are cute, and I'm gonna just take a quick picture because I'm gonna need it. Sorry, you guys. The next thing that is in here is a card, and it says Susie. So I'm gonna read that really quick. I don't want to show something that shouldn't be meant for someone else. Oh, cute card. It says, Susie, wishing you health and a long life. You are an incredible, strong woman. Here is something for you. Love, Marianne. Look at her cute card. Isn't that a doorbell? Can you guys see that? Cute. And I need the bags, so thank you, Marianne. I'm definitely gonna use them since I can't find them. Oh, she sent something for the boys, and these are very popular, you guys. I don't know if you guys have seen these. At first I didn't know what they were. They're bubble snaps pop. And these, the boys wanted actually some of these, and I didn't even know what they were, so I said no. I didn't. So she got one for the boys. They're gonna be so happy. And look at this round one. They're supposed to help you, like, relax, calm down. Good for the mental, you know, the mind. Keep it calm, keep it relaxed when you're stressed, when you just have anxiety. These are really good for that, especially for kids when they're angry. They can just go ahead and go and pop these, you know. So thank you. The boys are gonna love them. So that's from Marianne. Next, I came home and I was like, I got an Amazon package, and my husband's like, you ordered something from Amazon? I'm like, I don't think so. At least that I know of, I have not. And then I opened the package, and I saw a little card, and it says, "Thinking of you, Susie, from Bridget." Oh, that is so cute. I didn't, you know, she just like straight send it to my house. So that is awesome, you guys. So let me show you really quick how I found out, because it says it right there. It has the little, so that's how I found out that she sent it to me. And look how cute this little package is. It is so cute, and it's like sparkles or like sprinkles. That's cute. So this is the package, you guys, and this was from Amazon, and I was like, whoa. And it's really cute. It has a little, it looks like a little like package, and it has the little bows, little gray bows right there. Cute. Purple with a little silver. Can you guys see the whole thing? I'm gonna move back. So I thought that was so sweet. So thank you, Bridget. I'm sure anything you give me, I'm gonna love. You're such a sweet person. Hi. So we're gonna open this together. Oh, opens up nicely too. I like how they wrapped it up, and they added a little bit of tissue. Oh, how cute is this? I carry a knife with me, like you guys know. But oh, how cute is this? This is so adorable. Perfect timing for this. It is so cold in my house. I swear my husband did not want to turn on the heater. I was almost getting sick. I was like so mad at him. I'm like, stop being cheap. It's cold. It's time to turn on the heat. So we did turn on the heat, just so you guys know, because I was almost getting sick. It is a blanket. How cute is this? I don't want to open it right now, but let me show you how cute it is. Start your comfortable life. It is an adorable blanket, you guys. Can you guys see it? It is an adorable gray and white blanket, which is perfect for the weather right now, since it's getting so cold. And my couches are leather, so they're cold. I like to throw a blanket on there when I sit, or just to put on my legs, because lately with the chemo I am cold all the time. Like, I am freezing, you guys. You would think I'm sick all the time. It is so adorable. Thank you. I can't wait to open it up. When I open it up, you guys, I'll put a picture on Instagram so you guys can see the whole blanket, because it is really pretty. It is a gray and a white blanket, and it looks really pretty, and I'm sure it says something on there. So yeah, really cute. I really needed this, you guys. Look how good this little throw is gonna be. So don't worry, I'll take pictures and of the blanket, and I'll put them in my Instagram, or either in my YouTube story, so you guys can check out the blanket. Thank you, Bridget. I love it. It's gonna keep me warm through the whole winter. You don't know how I appreciate that. Like, I love it. So I have one more. And I think I'm gonna need, maybe not. Yeah, I think I'm gonna need my knife for this one. Okay, so this one is from Terry Brown. Thank you, Terry. And I talked to her a ton during emails, so she's so sweet. She's going through her own chemo thing. I pray for her as well, and her mother. Adorable. She's such a sweetheart, and hopefully everything goes well for you and your family, Terry. I got you in my prayers, and you know, hopefully we get through this and come out stronger. So I was able to open it. Let me take that out. And let me read the card really quick. I don't want to. Oh, this is cute. Look at what she put. She drew the little breast cancer ribbon right there for support. You were created to stand out, to sparkle, to dazzle, and to shine. How adorable is this? Look at how cute this is. That is adorable. Thank you so much, Susie, for being here for me, and really appreciate it. Love ya. Hugs and kisses. Thank you. Your friend, Terry. Beautiful card. I am here for you, girl. I am here for all of you who are going through something, who want to let me know. I'm here for you. I love to hear. I'm a good listener, and I try to give the best advice that I can give my YouTubers. So, oh, look how cute. This is going to be perfect, you guys. Oh my God, look at this. This is going to be my hat for the fall. Since my head is going to be so cold because it's bald, she sent me this cute hat. Oh my God. It says it says can't stop me. And it has the little ribbon. So this is going to be my Christmas hat. Look how cute this is. I'm going to need hats because you guys, I'm not going to be able to wear this when it's below 0. My head is going to freeze. I'm going to have to transfer to this kind of hat. And then if I want to either keep this on or transfer to this one when I get to work. But this is adorable. I love it, girl. Thank you so much. It is really cute, you guys. You guys are amazing. Thank you. I'm definitely going to use this. I can't wait. I do not have one, so this is going to be perfect. Perfect. And it has my little ribbon. Oh, you guys are amazing. So yeah, I had to share that friend mail with you. You guys are amazing with sending me stuff. I always love what you guys send me. Keeps me happy to see a little package when I get home. And thank you. I appreciate everything you guys send me. And until next time, bye, you guys.